Okay, so in the beginning of the video, I kind of forgot to showcase you guys the setup and the gears. So what I got on my KR Starter right now, I'm building him with an HP decent set right here. Boom, boom, boom. I need to get them engraved, so in a couple of days I'm gonna probably tonight I should have the two top pieces of the HPs already engraved, and then by next weekend on reset I should have his full HP defense set. And so for Roxy, I got her on attack crit damage set, just your basic attack crit damage set with the basic attack, which is on the top piece. Two set on top pieces is going to be attack, and on the bottom is going to be HP, and then in the middle set just defense. And for LR Escanor, I got him on the same thing. Two set attack, full attack crit damage set. And here's the rolls on my Escanor. Boom. I got a what? Remind, note to self. Fix that crit damage roll. Alright. So and then on Yuri Zahard, so I got her on the HP defense set, just your regular attack, HP, and defense rolls. And then for the links, this is the link that I got on everybody. I got Tarmio link on KR Sarther, and then Blue Roxy, I got her on my 6-6 Mael link, which is on my Mael link. I have him, boom, my Mael link, attack crit damage. And then I just got my LR Exenor with the Zeldris, with my LR Zeldris link, because more CC and buff, etc, etc. And then my Yuri, I got her on LR Liz link, with the LR Liz link. And then on my LR Liz, I have her on, I think, attack, no, HP defense. So yep, this is the setup for the bird. So yeah, the human team on the snake. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna showcase him right now. So let's get straight to it. So what card do I want to use first? Alright, so I need to get rid of the AoEs. So I'm gonna get rid of that and keep the single targets. Hold up. Yeah. No, let me reset this. So we're gonna do right here. Boom, boom. Wait, whoa. Chill. Boom, boom. I did it again, bro. My brain ain't braining right now. Boom, boom, boom. And just get rid of that card real quick. So, KR Sarther. What can I say? Good unit, good unit. He's a tank and a DPS as well, so kind of liking this unit right now. What a K damage. Whew. That does not do no damage to my tickles. Ha! You thought. Yeah, boss. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna merge these cards over there, and then what I'm gonna do is swap that one right there, just in case if you get a merge on the Roxy card. I'm kind of liking this setup. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right here, I'm just gonna go in with with Escanor cards. Escanor card, then I'll go with a Roxy AoE, then I'm gonna go with Homegirl single target, and then Escanor single target again, and this should one tap this phase. Yep. Hey yo, it never fails. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna just do Chaos Arthur AoE, and then I'm gonna merge over. Ooh, nah, I can't merge. Damn. So I'm gonna just do Chaos Arthur AoE card, and then do a single target with Escanor, and then I'm gonna merge Roxy cards for the next phase, and I'm just gonna dish out this Arthur card, and then it should. I don't know if it should one tap it, but it should do a lot of that. Yep, never mind that. It's just one taps. Hey yo, I'm done. Bruh. Alright. Wait, can I one phase this? Let me see. I need to see if I can one phase this. Alright. So I'm gonna go in with Power Chasm applies Power Chaos. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one first. Then I'm gonna do Roxy because she has my Roxy is at 5/6, so she should do a lot of damage. And then I'm gonna do Escanor out right there, and then Roxy, and then watch this. Boom! It's so hilarious. Like, bruh. Oh, bruh. Wait, what? Yeah, that was phase 1. That is insane. This is without Magelda too, guys. Like, bruh, that is insane. That is without Magelda, bruh. Alright, so we're gonna go into floor 2. The first phase of floor 2 is kind of a little bit tanky, so I don't know if I can one phase it, but I think I can. I think the human team can just one phase it. And then what I'll do, I'll save Escanor single target card for the next phase. So when I want to one tap that phase. Let's go in here real quick, dude. Oh God, no cow. Alright, so I'm gonna just dish out this and then Chaos Arthur. Alright, so Roxy and then Roxy's AoE and then Roxy single target and I believe I'll do this. Yeah, I'll do that. Let's see how that one goes. I highly underestimated this scene. Oh my God. That's some beautiful damage. Alright, so with this phase, so since I want to completely one tap. Alright, so I'm going to do this. Roxy AoE. Chaos Arthur AoE. And I'm going to do Escanor single target. And this should one tap this phase, right? Without a problem. Yup. It's light work. Light work, y'all. Bruh. It never fails. Alright, so what I'm gonna do with this phase, I'm gonna do Roxy AoE, Roxy single target, Roxy, oh my bad, Escanor single target, and then I'm gonna top it off with Chaos Arthur single target, and then I'll just save the rest of the card for the next phase. Oh yeah. I could have just saved that Arthur card for the next. Oh my, I'm done. I'm so done. Alright, so I'm gonna just do the ultimate with Roxy, single target with Arthur, single target with Arthur again, and then single target with Roxy again, and then this should kill. I can't explain. Yo, why is this the fastest demonic beast farming team? Like, if I want to, bruh. I'm so done. Oh my god. Now that is some funny stuff right there. Alright, so going into phase 3, so what I'm gonna, this is a brain dead. I don't even need it. Do I need to explain it anymore? Like, nah, I really don't need to explain this. Like, this is literally a brain dead bird farming team. Like, oh my god. I wonder how he's gonna do in the deer. Oh yeah, that's gonna be my bro gonna be cooking. He need to cook with no leftovers. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here. This is what I always like to do. So we're gonna get Escanor single target off. So I got the Ignite, and then do KR Starter AoE, Roxy AoE, and then Roxy single target. Now I'll save the other cards for just so I can get rid of Yuri cards. I keep forgetting how I have her, but I just basically she's just there to just buff the whole team. Get the damage reduction, you know, and then damage dealt, you know, all the good shenanigans that she does. Oh, hey, don't you even start. Yeah, my Escanor is built different. I'm still alright. So since I need to get Escanor, alright, so I'm gonna do this. Alright, reset that right there. Boom. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up Roxy's AoE card, Yuri single target, and then I'm gonna go in with, I think, yeah, I just wanna build this up, get some next card. Better so save those cards for next phase. That's why I'm doing it this way, because the demonic beast should have killed me right here anyway. I say that and watch they kill the whole team. As I said that. Yeah, nah, never mind. I like. Oh my god. Nah, damn, Arthur. Tank. That was a tank through and through. Alright, so what we're doing here is Roxy AoE, Yuri, and get rid of this Escanor card right there. Alright, so this is exactly why I like LR Escanor, because oh, you see that little buff over there? Nah, remove your buff, bruh. So I'm gonna do Escanor buff removal card, and then I'll do KR Starter card right there, Roxy AoE. Oh, wait, I think I could one tap this phase, so I'm gonna do this, Roxy AoE, and then KR Starter single target. Yeah, seems like it. Oh. Bro, that was past damage cap. Damage cap is 150. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna do Arthur AoE, Roxy's AoE. Do I alt with RC? No, yeah, I'm gonna alt with Roxy. and then do KRS Arthur single target, and then that should just one tap it, I think. Yeah, maybe. Debatable. Rosie. God damn, bruh. Oh my god, this is just hilarious. Oh my god. Nah, KRS Arthur is really good. Alright, so this while I'm doing this turn, just Yuri. Let me see where she at. Yeah, that works. And then I'll save the other cards for the next phase, for the final phase. Yup, that works. Alright, so going into phase 3, what I'm gonna do here is alright, so I'm gonna outward KRS Arthur so I can get his buff. And then I'll do the Yuri, I'll KRS Arthur single target, and then Escanor, and then that should one tap his face. I lied. Not one tap it. Sort of one tap. Damn, Escanor. Bruh. Wait, Escanor, no! Well, there goes Escanor. But you ain't killing the other 3. That is hilarious. Alright, I'm gonna merge with KRS Arthur. And then do that. And then see. I want to see some damage from KRS Arthur right now. Yep, there it goes. And boom! 201. Yep, and there's KRS Arthur on the bird. Alright, guys, so if you guys want to see some other videos on my 788 Cents video account, just let me know what you want me to showcase, because I do have. I'll just go over here to show you guys my account real quick and what my account is looking like. Alright, so if I go over here, ignore my gem count. Alright, so basically my account is at an 8.4 mil bucks, you see. And if you go over here to my constellations is at, I'm on constellation 4, 60%, 66%, almost done, halfway through constellation 4. And if you go to the units, these are all my units I got right now. So if you guys want to see some more showcases, yeah, like I said, my next video should be me running him on a deer, and then the next one after should be the wolves, and then the next one after that should be running a full mono human team with LR Liz on the snake. So like, comment, subscribe, and it's your boy Bert. I'm out. Peace.